Today, under a sky where angels skillfully weave the delicate threads of fate, a profound message of love and understanding emerges clearly before you. Finally, a special person, for whom you secretly harbor a burning desire, is beginning to unveil the deepest layers of their feelings, like a brave explorer navigating uncharted seas. This person, who has journeyed through a path filled with twists and turns, now receives divine revelations that shed light on the intricate web that binds you both. You are a truly special soul, capable of finding joy in the smallest nuances of life, and you celebrate each moment with an energy that is absolutely contagious. However, there is someone in your life deeply committed to knowing the most intimate essence of your being, that part of you which is reserved and carefully protected, revealed only to those closest and most dear. This person, driven by genuine curiosity and a burning desire to understand who you truly are, watches your every gesture with great interest. When you speak of your plans, whether for a simple gathering with friends or a grander party, a slight jealousy blooms in their heart, but it is not possessive or destructive. It is a tender jealousy, born out of the fear of losing your attention, accompanied by a sincere and loving concern about who you are sharing your precious moments with. The love you have generously offered this person has become a powerful catalyst for change, profoundly influencing the trajectory of their personal journey. Since that magical moment when your paths first intertwined, a deep connection was established, and since then, they have longed for more intimate communication with you. The kind of communication that transcends everyday conversations and ventures into a realm where souls meet and recognize each other, a place where words often fail to express the depth of the feelings involved. The desire to share secrets, fears, and dreams has become a constant, a persistent echo in your interactions, driving both of you towards ever greater closeness. The story you have built together has changed the course of your lives in unimaginable ways. Currently, they find themselves in a state of intense anticipation, eager to establish an even deeper level of communication with you. There is a burning desire within them that calls for a response from you, with the same intensity and urgency that pulses in your heart. For them, this moment is a liberation, as if they are finally escaping an emotional prison that, until now, had imprisoned their truest and deepest expressions, curtailing their ability to freely share all that they feel. Now, they are determined to leave the shadows of the past behind, turning towards a future filled with hope and determination. In the presence of the promise of a new beginning, the need to be by your side and enjoy the serenity your company offers becomes almost overwhelming. With a renewed and open spirit, they are ready to take the initiative, willing to abandon the pride that has sometimes been a barrier between you. In moments when communication fails or when they sense a distance emerging between you, the shadow of loneliness envelopes them, plunging them into a sea of sadness and feeding their fears of rejection. They know your heart deeply and are clear about who they want to share their life with. However, a persistent worry looms over them, the fear that you are not yet ready to accept their most intimate confessions. As this worry grows, so does their anxiety, driven by the desire for a more intimate and profound connection with you. They feel that every second is precious and that time is slipping through their fingers quickly, increasing the urgency to strengthen the bonds that unite you before it is too late. Despite their apparent possessiveness, they are haunted by deep insecurities that lurk in the shadows of their mind. They yearn to be the center of your universe, craving an attention that is exclusively theirs. For you, the moments you share may evoke the sensation of revisiting past cycles, but for them, each moment is a precious opportunity to rekindle the flame of love and rewrite a new joint story, a renewed narrative full of hope. Between you, there is a mysterious force, an inexplicable bond that unites you deeply and unbreakably. This connection endures, firmly sustained even in moments when physical distance tries to impose itself between you. Despite the mistakes you may make and the detours you may encounter along the way, this bond between you remains strong, unshakable, defying the adversities and storms that try to shake its foundation. Now, he is ready to move forward, to grow and evolve by your side. He is willing to set aside the insecurities that once held him back, embracing maturity in a shared commitment to mutual development and deep understanding. This willingness to grow is a testament to the love he nurtures for you, a love that seeks not only momentary happiness, but continuous evolution that enriches both of you. This love story, rooted in shared memories and past experiences, is destined not only to survive, but to flourish in the present. The strength that unites you is comparable to the solidity of the foundations of a robust house, capable of withstanding the strongest winds and the severest storms. However, it is crucial to recognize that despite this deep connection, both of you are complete individuals, each shining with your own light, with your own passions and aspirations. But, when it comes to true love, the dynamic between you transcends the individuality of each one. You are like two complementary pieces of a complex puzzle that, when united, form a perfect whole, a union that is both beautiful and functional. This love you share is a delicate and powerful dance, where every move and every touch reaffirms the deep commitment you have to each other. The relationship between you, though it may have been marked by moments of turbulence, mistakes mixed with successes, carries with it a crucial element: the shared willingness to learn and grow through lived experiences. This dynamic is not merely circumstantial. It is an evolutionary process, where each challenge faced serves as a catalyst to further strengthen the bonds that unite you. In every situation where failures seem to threaten harmony, the other's response arises not with criticism, but with understanding and love. You engage in a continuous dance, knowing that regardless of pauses or mismatched steps, the music of your shared journey never ceases. There is a mutual recognition that this is not the first time you have faced such challenges. It feels like you have been here before. However, each cycle traveled together has brought with it a deeper maturity and awareness than in any past time. The love you share is dynamic, vibrant, akin to the uninterrupted energy of a carousel in eternal motion, always spinning, always propelling forward. This constant motion is the essence of your bond, a representation of the continuous evolution that characterizes your relationship. Naturally, moments of doubt arise, occasions when one might question if the other's feelings remain as strong as before. These uncertainties, however, are normal parts of any relationship deeply rooted in human reality. What distinguishes your love is the ability to transform these doubts into opportunities to reaffirm and revitalize the mutual commitment. This is not just a romantic journey, but a true journey of emotional maturity, where each question, each insecurity, contributes to strengthening the bond. In this new chapter unfolding before you, communication reveals itself not just as a tool, but as the cornerstone upon which everything else is built. You find yourselves on the brink of a remarkable transformation, ready to explore depths of intimacy and honesty never before plumbed. The love that binds you, now more mature and evolved, is prepared to face the new challenges life may present. This dynamic between you is a balanced exchange of giving and receiving, where dreams and goals are no longer just individual, but shared, and each step along the way is accompanied by the other's unconditional support. The path to this moment has not been simple. Both have faced intense lessons, each having to adapt and learn in meaningful ways. He, for his part, had to face the difficult task of learning to let go of the reins of control, to understand that not all aspects of life can be meticulously orchestrated. This was often a painful process, but absolutely necessary for personal and relational growth. You, on the other hand, absorbed a vital lesson about the essence of true love. It is not based on controlling or shaping the other, but on building a foundation of trust and mutual respect. Accept with gratitude the blessings life generously offers you, and recognize that true love is an unceasing journey of discoveries and revelations. Like an eternally flowing emotional dance, it never loses its rhythm, moving to the beat of intertwined hearts. This moment marks the beginning of a new chapter in your love story, a chapter waiting to be written with the vibrant inks of passion, deep understanding, and the tenderest affection. In every step of this journey, always remember that you are deserving of love and affection. If you echo this sentiment, I confidently affirm, love is a beautiful, strong, and happy feeling, and I deserve to love and be loved in its fullness and completeness. I invite you to share your own reflections and experiences in the comments below. Your contribution is a valuable part of this community that we are building together. Not only leave your like, but also subscribe to the channel to continue receiving messages that inspire and uplift your spirit. We look forward to interacting with you again soon. Together, we will elevate our spirits and create waves of positive energy that will not only envelop us, but also touch the lives of all those around us. Stay tuned and ready for the next important message that promises to further enrich your journey. May each new video be a beacon that illuminates your steps with the peace, love, and faith that emanate both from God and the universe. Amen. By embracing these teachings and messages, you open yourself to a universe of possibilities, learning not only to receive love, but also to distribute it generously. Each word of encouragement, each gesture of compassion, and each act of understanding are precious stones in the construction of the magnificent mosaic of your love life. So, as you move forward, allow each new day to be a blank canvas, ready to be filled with the vibrant colors of experience and true love. Our channel is dedicated to accompanying you on this adventure, providing inspiration and support as you explore the vast territories of the human heart. We will continue to provide content that not only informs, but also transforms, strengthening your spirit and enriching your emotional life.